I'll show you how to deactivate Messenger only. To start with, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner to open the menu. Then look at the top right and click on the gear icon. After that, click on the Meta Account Center at the top to manage your account settings. Within these settings, select Personal Details and then go to Account Ownership and Control. Now tap Deactivation or Deletion and choose Deactivate Account. After that, hit Continue. Now enter your password for security verification. Then select a reason for deactivation and again tap Continue. Finally, confirm by selecting Deactivate Account, and your Messenger will now be deactivated while your Facebook remains active. And that's it. You have successfully deactivated Messenger only.